Hi everyone, today let's learn what is NEFT, National Electronic Fund Transfer. It's a nationwide payment system facilitating one-to-one fund transfer. Under this scheme, individuals can electronically transfer funds from any bank branch to any individual to any other bank branch in the country participating in the scheme. Second one is transaction happens in batches. NEFT is not restricted to have high value transactions. However, one can only transfer Rs 50,000 per transactions, making this a relatively slower option for those who want to have high value transactions. Third one is timing. Earlier NEFT payment system operated for customs for 8 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. on all working days except on second Saturday and fourth Saturday as bank remains closed on that day. The fourth one is no minimum limit. There is no minimum limit for NEFT, but it's generally used for fund transfer up to 2 lakhs. There is no minimum or maximum limits to the funds that can be transferred. Thank you.